I know what you're thinking. Who and what is MidshireTV? Well, no one knows as of yet, but maybe these two can help.
Hey guys, welcome to MidshireTV, the channel for all of your business communications technology needs.
So you want to know what MidshireTV is? Simon, should we tell them?
Okay, let's do it. So for me, what to expect is product and solution reviews. I'll give you the benefits of certain products, the pros, the cons, what to do and what to avoid. I've been in the industry for over 20 years, so I'm hoping to pass that insight and that experience over to you guys to help your businesses.
And what you expect from me is training videos on how to use phones, how to use Hostex to collaborate, and much, much more. So you don't want to miss out.
We'll also be providing customer testimonials to give honest, impartial reviews on what the solution that they've had and what guidance they've been given by us.
It's pretty interesting. Guys, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out.
That people have received in real life and I've made a total mess of it.
Guys, subscribe so you don't miss out. No, I missed it. I forgot my line. I forgot my line.
The pros and cons of certain services in sport.
Sport. BBC.
And what to go with. I'm totally this up at the minute. I'll be telling you what to do, what not to do. No, I won't, because I don't tell you what to do. What to do, what to avoid. Oh, no.